I'm here with my Dash Mini Toaster Oven and a slice of white bread, and we are going to be making some toast.
Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem.
So when I think of a toaster oven, my mind does not automatically think of toast. I always think of other things that you can make in a toaster oven, but for some people that's the first thing that they think of. So I thought we would see how this toaster oven does with making toast. I have a slice of white bread. This is the Baker's Choice white bread that you can buy at the Dollar Tree. And I bought this so long ago, I don't even remember when, but actually here it says fresh through 5/19. So this would be May 19th, and I'm filming this in the middle of August. So we are 3 months past this date, and it's been in my refrigerator the whole time. And I don't know if you could see this, but there's no mold on it, no like green spots that you would normally see with real bread. And it's still soft. It has not gotten stale. Like when you're dealing with real bread, it gets really hard and really stale. This is still very soft, and absolutely nothing has gone wrong with it. And to me, that is very scary. So here's the toaster oven. And on the front here by the dial, it shows a light piece of bread and a dark piece of bread. So we're gonna set the dial between that. But first I'm gonna open it up and put a piece of bread in it. And this bread fits perfectly. I'm putting it on about 3.5 minutes. So we'll be back when this goes off. It's been 3 minutes. Let's open this up and see what's going on inside. It looks like we have toast. So this is what the bottom looks like. To me, that's a bit too dark, but I think that could be easily scraped off. And even the top side is a little bit too dark for me. So let's put another piece of bread in. And let's cook this for 2.5 minutes. We'll see how this one comes out. It's been 2.5 minutes now. And this is what the 2.5 minute toast looks like to me. This is how I like my toast. This is like perfect. And the backside is still a little bit dark. Not as dark as this one was, but a little bit darker, but a little scraping and that would be fine. And I would be really, really happy with this piece of toast. And I think the toaster oven works great as far as making toast goes. In 2.5 minutes to have a piece of toast nicely toasted on both sides. Obviously, if you like your toast lighter than this, I would only do like 1.5 minutes, but I think it's really nice that it does both sides. In the past, I have had toaster ovens that when you try to make toast, they will only do one side at a time. Like they'll toast one side, then you have to turn it over and do the other side. But this does both sides. The bottom obviously comes out a little bit darker than the top. So I just wanted to make this quick video to show you how this Dash Mini Toaster Oven does at making toast. I hope it was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.